there, it's Brittany, and I'm back. It is time for the Magical Mystery Bead Box unboxing. This is from March 2021. So I'm pretty sure this is my last one from my year subscription. I think I subscribed in April of last year in 2020. So I think this is going to be the last one. I don't think I'm going to renew. So for most of you know that I've had the subscription for a year and I wasn't really pleased with it last year, and they've really turned it around. However, I just haven't decided if I'm going to renew yet. So this month is Pantone Classics 2021, and that's really cute. And then what does it say? What's inside? And I think Sarah James posted on their Facebook page that she had seen this box and that she really liked it. So I'm interested to see what's in it. Bead strand and classic Pantone Boho Bead Assortment, tricolored metal ball mini mix, metal assortment, design elements, bead mix in Pantone Classic, 24-inch pearl chain, silver metal tassels, mini mix in Pantone Classic, and chain reaction. So join us for unboxing on 4/7. So they're doing an unboxing on 4/7 to make sure that everybody gets their boxes. Jewelry pictures using materials from this box can be posted on and after 4/7/21, and of course that's in their group. So let's get started. The first thing I'm seeing in the box is the pearl chain, 24 inches. So this is hand linked pearl chain. This is cool. It's like an instant necklace. You don't have to do anything with this. You could just put a clasp on it, or even since it's 24 inches, you probably fit that over your head. You could just put it together by linking those and making a necklace, or you could just throw a pendant on it. That's pretty cool. I don't see any issues with the pearls. So those are really nice. That's really nice. That takes a long time to make, even if you have a looper tool. Next, I'm seeing some really pretty stuff in here, actually. So I'm going to open this. It's the silver metal chain tassels. These are cool. See, I like these because they're made out of chain and they have really neat tops. You guys know I'm not a tassel person, although I'm in the middle of making a really pretty necklace using tassels. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And it's got some beads on top, some bead caps. Maybe one day I can show you guys how to make these if you don't already know. But they're pretty cool. I like those. Those would be really nice. Actually, these would be really nice on the style of necklace that I'm making right now. And actually, today is March 26th, so you'll probably see that necklace before you see this video. And it's a long lariat, and they have tassels on both ends. I'm almost finished making it. Next, we have the chain reaction. Oh gosh, I'm dropping things left and right. Chain reaction. I will say, from having this subscription, I have a big box of chain reaction. This one is number 10, and it's some opaque white and AB. Those are nice. What do we got here? There's some of the chain. And then, ooh, this is pretty. This one's silver and like a really light amethyst or a purpley pink. Very pretty. This one's number 17. That one's gorgeous. I don't know if I have that color. I might, but I don't know. Next we have a metal assortment. Okay. So, oh, these are cute. They're those roses. They're metal roses with some crystals on the inside. I've got some wire stuck to my finger. Okay. With some crystals on the inside. Like a shaker bead. That reminds me of when I was scrapbooking. I used to make shakers. I mean, I don't still scrapbook, but I'd like to say I do, even though I don't. I have all the stuff. Of course, I used to work for a scrapbooking store. So, some nice metal beads. These are calling for it to be antiqued to me. Two leaves, and they have some rhinestones on them. Those are pretty. And then 2 teardrop beads. I don't think I have any beads this shape. I know I have these. I might have a couple of these roses, but I don't have any teardrops that are this shape. These are nice. And they're not solid, they're hollow. That's really cool. I like those. Very neat. Next we have a Boho Assortment. It's a little 6 bead assortment. I think these are probably taped shut. They usually are. So we have like a khaki green, beige or regular khaki, and then just like an off-white. It's not white, it's not cream, it's off-white. These are really cool. I don't have many beads these 2 colors, but I certainly don't have any boho beads those colors. So that's really cool. And then these have like really cool AB dots on them. Very neat. Those will go in my boho box. A little box of boho beads. And then we have a couple mixes in a strand left. So let me get a bead tray. I've got to replace my felt. It's got a lot of schmutz in it. Even though I tried to use some tape on it earlier. Okay, so we have a small Pantone Classic mini mix. So some cool stuff in it. Ooh, okay, so this is really pretty. These are mother of pearl. These are gorgeous. Those would make some really sweet earrings. We have some, I think these are check glass, like barrel beads, faceted beads in coral with an AB on them. Those are really pretty. We have a metal, sorry, not metal, magnetic, well, it's metal too, but a magnetic clasp with rhinestones on it. Very neat. A bunch of spacers. So we have some silver spacers. We have some gold spacers. These are pretty cool. I do love JJB's metal beads. They are usually pretty nice and very heavy. Nice quality. You know, they're not plated acrylic. We've got some, oh, these are a really cool shape. I don't know. I don't think I have many beads this shape, if any. It's a nice champagne color. So throughout the year, I, in my videos, gave a lot of feedback, and I think towards the end of last year, Jesse James Beads started listening, and one was I was sick of receiving scratched pearls, and I don't see one scratched pearl, and I haven't for the last 2 boxes, so this one and February's box. One was, I'm not a huge fan of the tassels. I know there are tassels in this one, but they're not the ones that fall apart, and you know, they stopped, I mean, they did put chain in this one, but they stopped doing it in every box. And there are less acrylic beads. And I think, you know, even though I was hard on them last year, they've really changed around. So, and honestly, I give them kudos for doing that. So we have some silver rhinestone beads. Ooh, these are cute little navy blue rondelles. I'm going to scooch in a little bit because I feel like the colors are off. Okay, yeah, that's way better. All right, well, at least in my viewfinder. If it's not better for you, I'm sorry. So, and then we have some antique brass. This is pretty cool. You can make so many different things with this. Those are cool. And then here's a different color of spacers. Rondelles, I should say. And then we also have some more like this champagne peachy color in the rondelles. These are lovely. And then we have another silver spacer type. This is a good mini mix. This has got a lot of different, like a lot of the same beads, so you get enough of them to do something if you wanted to make a necklace. But there are several different types of beads in it, and they're not plastic. They're all crystal or metal, which is great. We've got these little teardrop guys. Ooh, then they have some purple flashes in them. And I think that's it for this mix. That's a really good mix. I actually really enjoy this mix. I don't know if I pointed out these matte silver squares. Sorry. These matte silver squares. Okay, and then we have another mix, and this one's just called Pantone Classics. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm seeing some cool stuff in here. So we've got some shell beads, some blue shell. We've got two of these wonderful sparkly crystals in dark, dark blue. Some bead caps. Some, well, I was going to say some crystal. Oh, okay. So we have two of these cube crystals. These are pretty cool. Can't really tell what color that is. It's like a gold, green, clear color. Some large hole ceramic beads in a dark blue luster. Neat. Some cream peachy. These are really pretty. Teardrop crystals. Those are gorgeous. I want a whole strand of these. I know, I'm greedy. And then, look, we have some large hole pearls. I think that's the first time I've ever seen that in one of their mixes. These are freshwater pearls with really large holes. Those are great for leather. And then, I guess I spoke too soon. We have some pearls. They're a little scratched up, so those will just go in my pearl soup. That's a little disappointing. But, I mean, that's what happens when you put pearls into a mix with metals and crystals. So, we have two cage beads. I have a ton of these. Still haven't used any of them. And then we have some more bead caps. We have some more pearls in like an olive green. These aren't scratched. Those are pretty good condition. We have some more glass with silver, or like silver and gold hues on the outside. Two charms. Actually, these are connector. Oh, no. I'm sorry. They're charms because I thought both ends had holes, but only one end does. So two nice charms. Those are cute. Really good mix for making earrings. Ooh, another large hole bead. These are kind of heavy too. These would be great for leather again. I love this shape. Like I keep saying, they have great metal beads. These are really pretty. Again, that peachy cream. And they're a little scratched. Yeah, that finish isn't so great with the metal again. They're a little scuffed up. And then we have some black beads. I can't tell if these are, I think these are just glass. I think these are glass. Yeah, they're glass. And then we have some silver crystal rondelle spacers. So very cool. I like this mix. I like the other mix a little bit more. And I'm a little disappointed that there's some scratched on the beads. But overall, I really, really love these large hole beads. And I really love these large hole beads. So cool. Oh, yeah, and we can't forget these. These are fantastic. Those are so yummy. They look like candy. Okay, I'll clean this up, and then we'll move on to the rest of the box. Okay, so we have two things left, and I am, like, drooling over both of them. So let's go with the bead strand. So it's bead strand in Classic is what it's called. And this whole box is just really nice neutrals with a couple blues and pinks and blushes thrown in. But I'm drooling over this because look at this spacer bead right here. I mean, that's obviously a focal, but it's gorgeous. I don't really have any beads like that. That's beautiful. So is it... Okay, so it's either polymer clay or some type of clay that they put the rhinestones in and bake it around... or it might be a self-hardener one. It might not be polymer clay. That they bake it around a bead form. And then we have a beaded bead. Oh, I used to be able to make these. I got to look up how to make them again, because I have a whole bin full of them that I've made, but I don't use because I love them so much. We've got a rose bead. Love those. We've got a big boy crystal rondelle. We've got a really huge spacer, rondelle spacer. A nice little crane bead. And then we have a bead that's rolled in gold's silver-lined seed beads. So this is a Mondo strand. This is an amazing strand. Look at this. I'm just like awed by this crystal bead. And I love that it's a large hole bead. So yummy. You could use those with those large hole beads from the mix, and they'd be really sparkly. And then last but not least, I think it's last but not least, it's this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tri-colored metal mini mix. I have very few of these beads. I got some last year from, I can't remember, one of the AliExpress stores, I think. So these beads are amazing. Sometimes these beads are not very high quality, but they kind of look like they're high quality. These are amazing quality, and they're 6, so there are 2 of each bead. We have gold. No, nothing missing, no rhinestones missing. These are really nice, very sparkly. Sometimes you get them when they don't have, like, the metal's not as nice or the rhinestones aren't as sparkly. These are amazing. These are kind of expensive. Not kind of, they are expensive. We have rose gold. These are my favorite out of all 3 colors. Beautiful. These are great. Just grab one, make it your focal, fill up a whole bracelet with just gemstones, and you have a really fast stretch bracelet that looks like $1,000,000. And then we have these silver. These are really pretty too. I actually love them all. I think slightly love the rose gold a little bit more. So my favorite things were obviously this mix, or this strand, these 2 different types of beads, and then this mix. There was a ton in this box, and I actually think this month was worth the price of admission to this box. Again, I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to renew or not. I would say if all 12 months had been like January, February, and March, I would, with no hesitation, renew. So I got to think on it. I'm just being honest. So anyway, I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Please let me know which one was your favorite, what you would do with some of these things, or what you thought. And I hope you have a good weekend. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. What you doing, bud? Oh, you scratching? Hi, buddy. Say hi to your friends. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Oh, you get scratchies. You get scratchies. Say bye, everybody. I love you.